Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about Arduino. What is Arduino and where we are going to use this Arduino software. Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read input, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn into on output and activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. We can use Arduino for this application. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instruction. Set of instruction is called program. Set of instruction to the microcontroller of the on the board. So mainly Arduino is used to use the Arduino programming language. What language? Arduino programming language based on wiring the Arduino software, that is IDE, based on processing. So dear students, Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. So now what can it do? So in this diagram, we can see the Arduino board. By using this Arduino board, what are the things we can do? Great for prototyping ideas. It mainly used to do prototype of the project. Access to multiple input output. It has a multiple input and output. Drive motors, turn on lights, trigger control. It used to drive the motors, turn on lights in home applications, home automation system. After that, mainly it is used for the low power requirements, and it is flexible, and also it is a open source. Already we discussed this, it is a open source electronic platform. So how to use Arduino board? In this slide, we have to set a board. We can go for tools and then select a board. In that, we are going to use Arduino UNO. All Arduino signal are either analog or digital. A signal must be analog or digital. In Arduino, signals are analog and digital. All computers, including Arduino, only understanding digital. It understand the digital. Computers only understand the digital language, that is ones and zero. So it is important to understand the difference between analog and the digital signal, since analog signals require an analog to digital conversion. That is, we have to use ADC, analog to digital conversion. Digital input. To connect digital input to your Arduino, use digital pins. It has 0 to 13 pins. Okay, digital input needs a pin mode command. A pin mode, we can use this command: pin mode, pin number, and then input. To get the digital reading, digital read pin number, we have to use this command. Digital input values are only high or low. High means on, low means off. Output is always digital. To output a signal that pretends to be analog, use this code: analog write pin number value, where a pin is one of the analog output pin, that may be 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11, where a value is a number ranging from 0 to 225. Okay, so I hope you understand output is always digital. So in this, we can use the example conditional format. If else conditions we are going to use. So if button state high, digital write LED pin high, delay is 300, digital write LED pin low. Here we are using if else condition for on and off the light. So the possibility to use Arduino are literally infinite. We can use any type of applications like home automation, on and off the switch, collecting data from the sensors, embedded system design, Internet of Things, then healthcare applications, artificial intelligence. These are the billions of people around the world, and the fair amount of them have probably at some point in their lives imagine a device not available on the market, or a device that was too expensive that could help them in some aspect of their lives. Guys, now it's the time for assessment. Yes, the first question is Arduino is on open source electronic system based on easy to use hardware and software. All Arduino signals either analog or digital. Thank you, students. I hope you understand the basic fundamentals of Arduino, and then what are the input pin and output pin, how to set up Arduino, and then we use if else condition to on and off the switch. Okay, so thank you, student. Have a great day.